Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Mo's Tesla. Today is the first video of this channel, and it's also our delivery day. Today, we're gonna go pick up our Model Y 2024. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I know the video's a little shaky today. I'm recording this on the iPhone 12. I ordered a stabilizer for this channel, so expect higher quality videos moving on forward. But yeah, today is the delivery day. We're gonna go pick up our Model Y 2024. Again, this channel is gonna consist of Model Y videos in Toronto, Ontario. So all you have to do is make sure to hit the subscribe button and smash that like button. Make sure to also put post notifications on so you can get notified on all the new videos that we publish on this channel. But yeah, I hope you're as excited as I am. Let's get to it. Very fancy.
Hello?
Oh, very fancy. Pickup day, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling excellent.
Alright, let's get going. Just for a little context for the next clip, we actually traded in my Hyundai 2011 Genesis Coupe, and so this was the last moment of us seeing the beauty. This was my first car, and I'm gonna definitely miss it. But you know, we're moving on to bigger and better things. So, what are your final moments for the Genesis Coupe?
I will miss it.
Oh, bye bye.
I like it. And now, the moment you all have been waiting for. The receiving of the Tesla Model Y 2024 here in Ontario. What, you thought we ended the video here? We're just getting started. 10 kilometers. ساعها بقى واستمتع بيه. شكله ايه ده؟ شكله جميل. لا الواد فولش قوي. فينش قوي. لكشري ما شاء الله.
مش imagine بقى يعني تيجي تنزل الكرسي كده.
انت بتاخد البريشنز ولا خدها؟
اخد البريشنز والله.
خد البريشنز. بسم الله ما شاء الله.
The Tesla Model Y, guys. Tesla Model Y right there.
Click the word setup for me there. Okay, could not find it. Could we go to your settings for me there? It could be in your settings right now.
The Tesla keys.
We have 2 keys here. First one. Oh, okay. It's wallet.
Very complimentary.
It's a wallet. Okay.
فدلوقتي نحط الكي هنا ونعمل ريتراي.
We're trying to pair the phone to the Tesla, but it doesn't seem to pair. So it's very weird because it does know my dad's profile, but it refuses to link. Let me try again. نقفل كده maybe البلوتوث من تحتاني. Yeah, I'll retry. Communicating with car. Like D dot. Authorizing. Boom.
You are a magician.
Even the Tesla guy didn't know how to do it.
Yeah.
Boom. خلاص.
Has been set up for. Okay.
خلاص. Whatever settings you put right now on the car, it will be your normal settings, and then we can set up easy entry for you later.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay.
How does it feel? The new Model Y, how does it feel?
Feeling great. Feeling fantastic.
Fantastic. زي البداية برضه.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. قول لي كده.
هنا.
No, side to side. وانت ممكن تحرك برضه الكرسي لو عايز تقرب. See, driver profile adjusted, save. Perfect. Alright. So we're gonna click X. Yeah, خلاص كده. We're ready. We just finished everything, all the paperwork, all the signage. We checked the whole car. We did the checklist, and now we're gonna drive home.
لا هو بس شاف الشنطة.
Alright.
حاسسها بطيئة.
حاضر هنظبط كل حاجة دلوقتي. اركن. لا.
خالص يعني؟
انت لو عايز تركن خالص ممكن تركن خالص. ممكن تركن في الحتة اللي مش راكنة اساسا. And with that, we come to the end of our video. So sadly, I didn't record any more footage after this. We kind of took the car home, showed it off to the family, played with a couple features. And if you want to see those, they will be in my shorts, just us playing around and messing around with the car. It was overall a really good experience for picking it up. We only had one issue, and that was with the employee trying to connect my dad's phone to the car. We obviously had a couple more issues, just my dad getting used to the car. But besides that, it went smoothly, and we had a lot of fun. And if you guys are looking into buying a Tesla, I would recommend buying it. We have a referral code down below, and if you buy your Tesla using that referral code, you get 3 months of full self-driving autopilot for free. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys subscribe, press that like button, and I will see you guys in our next video. Take care and peace.